Now that it's starting to warm up, you can begin applying both post-emergent and pre-emergent herbicides. A pre-emergent is a type of herbicide that prevents weeds from appearing, while a post-emergent treats currently existing weeds. Get ahead of spring and summer weeds by applying a pre-emergent herbicide to prevent them from growing. If you notice that weeds are currently appearing, use a post-emergent herbicide to control them. If you put down a granular weed control product, be sure to water it in to help it get down into the soil. This should be all the water your lawn needs for the week. Some hard-to-control weeds to look out for this time of year include crabgrass, goosegrass, sandspur, clover, knotweed, spurge, and lespedeza. When applying any control product to your lawn and garden, read and follow product label instructions thoroughly. Visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Empire, Innovation, and Zoysia. If you have a different kind of Zoysia, refer to our generic Zoysia maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our spring maintenance series that's full of other tips like irrigation practices, weed control, and more for Zoysia lawns.